Okay, so I was gonna do an unboxing of the spring FabFitFun box, but I seem to not be able to function enough to unbox. So instead, I have the items here and we're just gonna discuss them. I'm just gonna show you what came in this box. So, first of all, we got this Butter London Teddy Girl eyeshadow palette. There's these nudes, which are super cute. That's right up my alley. That's pretty much my go-to look, unless I'm feeling spicy, which I'm usually not. Then we have this Hypernova eye serum. Very excited about that because I freaking love skincare. Love it. And speaking of skincare, we have this Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. Very excited about that. And that's a good old size of that thing too. Very excited about that. This is the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner with keratin. Necessary. I actually chose this one because my hair has been through the ringer. In the last year, I went completely platinum blonde. That stuff is damaged, and this stuff is literally a miracle in a bottle. Cannot recommend that enough. They sent some workout stuff, so like some workout bands and an ab ball, so that's super fun. And then they sent this duffel bag. I would say it's like a weekender size duffel bag, and it's got like little daisies all over it. That's very cute. The material I would say feels like a canvas backpack type of material. And then it has this little matching bucket hat. All in all, I love this box, and I am actually pretty excited about everything in it. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Okay, so now that I gave you kind of a rough overview of the items that came in the box, I wanted to show you some of them up close out of the packaging. So this is the Pharmacy moisturizer, and you can tell that packaging is like so pretty, frosted glass, super sturdy. It comes with a little scoop, and this is magnetized to hold it. This is the Teddy Girl eyeshadow palette. It's a little difficult to do with one hand. Let's get rid of that. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. Oh, I love that entire bottom row of colors. Yes. We'll swatch that in just a second. And then this. So this I have absolutely no idea how to work. This is the eye serum, and I've never seen packaging like this. And I think maybe you're supposed to like push, push, push on this thing. I'll try that. Hold on. I'm gonna unbox the, oh my God, Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. Are you serious?